What's going on, guys? Will here and back with another video, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a point of view drive in my Audi A3. Now, I've already tried recording this once and the GoPro was in the wrong place, so we're going to try this again. So I'm actually having to sit in a slightly different driver's position. I'm having to put the seat all the way down and tilt my head forward a little bit, just because the driving position before wasn't that great. But usually I would be going that way across the motorway, but we're going to come home and we're going to go through town. We're going to do something slightly different just because we can, and it's just a nice drive home. So it's 40 down here, so we'll give it a little bit of welly. There we go. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys the Audi A3, how it drives, and basically just do a slightly different video. I didn't really have much planned for this week, so I thought, you know what, we'll see how this goes, see if everyone enjoys it. If you do enjoy the video, please remember to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Ding dong that notification bell to keep up to date with all the latest uploads. And let me know your thoughts on these types of video in the comment section below. I'm going to go in this one just so I can bypass these lorries. Traffic lights coming up here. You need to remember to lean my head forward a little bit, just because the position isn't that great. Pull away was a bit crazy there. Yeah, we're just going to go through the town centre, you know, a little bit of mixture of roads. So we've got the 40s, the 30s, the town driving. This is how the Audi A3 drives. It's pretty smooth, to be fair. The road noise is a bit loud, but apart from that, I actually love driving this car. So yeah, we needed something to eat for lunch. I thought, you know what, I'll pop to the big Tesco's, get us lunch and dinner. It's a nice little day out on my day off, which is good. Don't know if you can actually hear the road noise or not. What I'll do is I'll take the best parts of the drive up here and edit them in throughout the video, even though the driving position wasn't that great, just to make the content a little bit nicer. And then we'll go, yeah, we'll go right. Why not? We'll go right. Nice little drive through Starbucks. On the left there. Yeah, I can already see on my GoPro this is a much better driving position. And we've got the McDonald's and all the local nightclubs, if you can call them that. I feel like I'm giving you a tour of Ipswich. But yeah, the car itself is so nice to drive. No matter what road you go on, you can be on an A road, a motorway, country road, town driving. It just feels so comfortable, and it just feels like I can handle it. I'm absolutely in love with this car though, so I do have a slightly biased opinion. Yeah, this is the road I used to drive every day on the way home, and it would just be packed with traffic all the way to the back. It'd probably take about an hour to get through. Unless you wanted to be a complete, you know, idiot to all the other drivers, you could then speed down the outside and just bully your way in. But it depends what mood you're in and what you've got planned, I guess, of what you want to do. I mean, one thing I really like about this interior is that it's just so nice to look at, like even when you're driving, like all of the dashboards and the steering wheel and everything like that. It's all so nice. Something I haven't got bored of yet, which is a good sign, I think. But yeah, as you can tell, it's a pretty nippy car. Like, if I put my foot down, it's pretty nippy through the centre of town. Of this lorry. I don't want to be him coming over my lane, which so often happens through this one-way system. Look at that number plate, that's definitely legal. If you do enjoy the video, please remember to hit that like button, comment down below if you would like to see more of these point of view driving experiences. And yeah, hit that subscribe button if you're new around here. Ding dong that notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload. We're closing in on 750 subscribers. That's my next target. So if you could, then please do hit that subscribe button. It would be really appreciated. I'm gonna go this way. This way is usually more fun. As you can see, I'm using my new dash cam mirror, which we installed last week, which I'm loving, by the way. It's looking absolutely mint. It definitely works front and rear. Is that my driving instructor? Pretty sure. That's who I learnt to drive with right there. No, it's not. It's not. It's another one. It's not the driving instructor. Oh, some police going down here. What's going on? Something's happening. Something's happening. Unmarked car as well. Oh, what the hell is this? What is this? Is that a boat? It's a big boat. Do you know what? For a 15-minute drive, it's actually quite nice. I mean, I'm a really big fan of driving, so I'm gonna say that, but yeah, I really enjoy this drive to Tesco's. I mean, it just, I don't know, when you're having a stressful day, you just need to get out of the house. I think a little drive to Tesco's is just what you want to be doing. There we go, we'll leave it there, just in case the speed covers. Like I said, guys, if you are enjoying the video, please remember to hit that like button, leave a comment down below just so that I know that you are enjoying this type of content, and then hit that subscribe button for more future uploads. We're aiming for 1,000 subscribers in the next couple of months, and we're 250 off. We're more than that, we're 270 off, but we're getting there. We're 270 off at the moment, but we're aiming for 750. That's our next mini target. So let's try and help us to get to that, guys. We'd really appreciate it. Just realised this is probably the first or second time on the channel where you've actually seen me drive the car rather than doing something to it, which is good. Guys, we've got so much planned for the channel over the next coming weeks. I've literally booked out probably the next 3 months worth of videos of what I want to do. Whether I actually do them or not is another question, but I know what I want to do for the next 3 months of weekly uploads. So please hit that subscribe button and you won't be disappointed, I can assure you. We've got some things like detailing the car. We've got some other things like doing some more modifications to the car, bigger things than what we've done at the moment. And there also might be another video on something that was quite exciting that happened in my life recently. So stay tuned for that as well. We've got plenty to come. So yeah, like I said, hit that subscribe button and you'll be able to see it, which is all good. Right guys, I think that's enough driving now. What I'm going to do is end the video. So thank you guys so much for watching this point of view experience of my Audi A3. Look at it in all its beauty one more time. If you did enjoy the video, please remember to hit that like button, comment down below if you did enjoy, hit that subscribe button if you want to stick around for more uploads, and also hit that bell as well, and then you'll get notified every time I post a video. And like I said, we're going to be smashing these uploads over the next few months. We've got literally so much planned. So yeah, be good to see. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.